Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, one that's been making waves in the world of 3D printing. We're going to explore the Creality 3D Printer Filament, Pla Filament 1.75mm bundle, weighing in at 2 kilograms and offering some incredible features that make it stand out as the best PLA filament on the market. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this filament a game-changer for 3D printing enthusiasts. Let's start with an overview of this fantastic product. The Creality 3D Printer Filament comes in a bundle, offering you not one but two 1 kilogram spools in classic black and white. That's right, 2 spools for the price of 1. Talk about value for money. This filament is designed to provide you with a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. What sets this filament apart is its commitment to quality. It features a special patented design and manufacturing process that ensures a smooth and stable 3D printing experience. Before packaging, it undergoes a 24-hour drying process and is vacuum sealed in a PC bag with a desiccant to maintain its integrity. This attention to detail ensures that your prints come out flawlessly. One common headache with filament is tangling and breaking. Not with the Creality PLA filament. It's meticulously wound and undergoes strict manual examination to ensure minimal tangling, reducing the chances of snapping or line breaking. Plus, the larger spool inner diameter design ensures smoother feeding, making your 3D printing process hassle-free. Accuracy is key in 3D printing, and this filament doesn't disappoint. Advanced CCD diameter measuring and a self-adaptive control system guarantee a filament diameter of 1.75 mm with a remarkable dimensional accuracy of plus 0.02 mm. That's precision you can count on. Plus, it's compatible with 99% of FDM and FFF 3D printers, including those with heated beds, and even 3D pens. For those of you concerned about the environment, you'll be pleased to know that this filament is environmentally friendly. It's made from starch raw materials derived from renewable plant resources, so you can 3D print with a clear conscience. Now, let's talk about the deal you've all been waiting for. The Creality 3D Printer Filament Bundle is available at an exclusive prime price, with a whopping 33% off the list price. But that's not all. By using the code 69MM247M at checkout, you can save an additional 15%. That's unbeatable value. In conclusion, the Creality 3D Printer Filament, PLA Filament 1.75mm bundle, is the best PLA filament you can get your hands on. With its exceptional quality, tangle-free performance, precision, and affordability, it's a must-have for any 3D printing enthusiast. Plus, with the amazing Black Friday deal and Prime exclusive pricing, there's no reason to miss out on this fantastic offer. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you've tried this filament or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.